This is Frank the United FX, and this is our normally weekly outlook on the currency pairs and the metas and the crypto and the rest of them. So without waiting much of our time, and this is a disclaimer that this channel is for education purposes only. All videos, presentations, and the writings are only for educational purposes and are not for intended as investment advice. You can implement this while trading at your own risk and after consulting your financial advisor. I hope that gets to you. So, without much further ado, let us continue our analysis on DSY. This is dollar index. So dollar index, as I told you before, when it was this very place, we anticipated to come to this verse and he has to get to this verse and is trying to move back down. So in order to come down, there are many factors involved. Although we have seen this inside the box, and the movement here looks like a 5 wave structure from this very place to here. I expect it to come inside again to do a correction inside before a drop. It may as well come to clear this ground, then drop. So these two things, watch out for them. Once you see the correction is too sharp and too impulse, then and you know that this guy is going to come. But once the movement here is too sluggish and takes more times, you know that this one's going to come. So that is how to identify it. That is also TSY. Yes, the line is euro US dollar. Euro US dollar. So the way I see euro US dollar, before I see it as A, B, C, but looking at this movement, this place doesn't make sense and does not look like such impulse movement. And by the way, I have not taken away the trend line that is here. It's a trend line, daily trend line has not been taken away. So I expect another down in this very pair. You may see an impulse down, but the impulse in three waves manner A, B, and C down to this very 61 before a buy will come. So in alternatively, you may see a correction to come here and then start buying. It's an alternative structure. It's an alternative structure. Or you come and started buying. It's an alternative structure, but this is the main structure that I'm looking at in Euro US dollar. Okay. Great Britain. Great Britain just like DSY. Just like the line is, and there's a 5 wave I see. 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. So I started a correction and a correction movement to this very place. This correction is supposed to last for a day or 2 days. But if it's on Monday, it move very fast and break through here, then there's not going to be any correction. We're going to see a drop to here, even here before a buy. So this is an alternative to this very one. Reason be that you have taken away the trend line and the movement here suggests of the fact that there's a 5 wave structure. When you go down to let's say 4 hours time frame, you discover that there's a 5 wave there. Let's use 1 hour time frame. You see a 5 wave structure there. There's a 5 wave structure. There's a 5 wave structure. This is wave 4. So that is a 5 wave structure. This is wave 1. This is A, B, C. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is 3. And A, B, C is 4. Another 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. This is 5. So that is a 5 wave structure. That is why we are able to say that it's going to correct and then move up. So this is what I'm expecting. When I see, I'll wait for the correction. Once I see the movement is correcting, then I know that it's going to play out. But if the movement is an impulse, move so fast to this very place and break it, then here it's good to take out these bots. That is all for the user. Okay, this is cylinder user. So this is I thought it's going to end this very place, but I know that it's going to come back here. This is where I wanted it to come. Looking at it, it's getting close to that very place. So you may see a breakthrough here and a correction, another drop before a buy will come. That is what we're expecting in this pair. As a big drop. When you go down to weekly time frame, you will see that let's say anticipated a big drop to this very place. So is there's going to be a big drop. When you look at it, you can see this is a triangle. A, B, C, D, E. So there's a big drop that will come to the break this low, take this low, take this low, take this low. So, but it's not going to drop that fast. We do some when you come here, we do some correction before we continue to drop. That is for Australian dollar, US dollar, New Zealand dollar, US dollar. So the same goes in New Zealand dollar. When you look at it, it's covered that it's already taken out the triangle line. The first one I'll be taken out, the second one I'll be taken out. So it remains this third place. It remains this third place, which should be taken out. So I'm ready to take out this place. Come down a little bit here before a buy will come. You go to the key and come down here for a buy will come. What is all for New Zealand dollar? Okay, this is user shift. User shift. So it's better than sell for user shift. When you look at it, you can see that it has been falling for a very long time. And here it seems to have come to it stop falling. So what I've expected here is for I don't expect here to go below this line. What I'm expecting here is a correction to here, then another up move. That's what I'm expecting. Because looking at it, this is a strong resistance. The market has touched the first one, goes up, touch the second one, break the trend line. The trend line is already broken from here a little bit. So I wanted a correction here. That it may be deeper than that, maybe deeper than this. So you may see a deeper correction to here for a buy. That is all for use the shift. So US dollar yuan. US dollar yuan. Let's go to daily time frame. Order to split. Okay, this is the confirmation line. You're taking away confirmation line. So I expecting a correction before a drop. Correction to this trend line that I've drawn here. Correction there will give us a clue on what the market is exactly doing. So if market move correctly to that place, then I will sell it from there down. Very down, a very big trade. That is all for this guy. US dollar, Japanese. Okay, this is also a yarn pair. It has been falling as expected. So this yarn pair is expected to fall to this very point. To this 50 point. We have been falling. So what are we going to do if you have not entered it or you have not traded it? You can look for a correction. The correction may come towards there before a continuation forward. So just wait for correction patiently until you see a correction that is deep, then you can enter I'll continue to say for this for this guy. This one goes to okay, it's not yet. Okay, this is Canadian dollar. This is Canada, Canada, Canada. This is 4, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, and this is 4, and 5 is coming. So when this 5 gets complete here, break this trend line a little bit, and the correction will come. There we go. So if you have not entered this Canada, don't be in a rush to enter it. Don't be in a rush to enter it because after the fifth wave is complete, correction will come where you can have opportunity to enter it in a very good way. Correction will come even if you come to test this very level. Test this very level. Then a drop will come. So this correction and a drop will be a very big chance for you to enter the Canada. Okay, this is an Euro. Euro Great Britain. Well, Euro Great Britain has collected ABC, but looking at the movements of here, the alternative to this thing is that it may correct here and continue move up and come to here before you drop. It's an alternative, but the main thing is that I expected it to correct to this very point before a sell another sell will come. But then you can still correct and move up, break this up. Because this impulse movement that is here, this movement here, it doesn't go where impulsively. It doesn't look like an impulse movement. It have some laborious up and down. So that is why this alternative came. The movement isn't give me what I want. Okay, this guy is doing the same thing. What are we expecting? A correction. Once we can be able to get the hand on correction, then we'll enter again for a bigger drop. So that is what we are looking for. Great Britain. Okay. This Great Britain also looks like Euro Japanese yen. Great Britain yen suspect and but you're taking away the trend line though. So I suspected this is a wave 1, this is 2, this is 3, and this is 4, and it's going to be a 5. Then a correction towards this line. And there's another alternative thing now. I expected it that it may correct towards here and then give us a zigzag up again to this very place before we drop. This is another alternative entirely. So this alternative may play out once you see a correction and it did not break this low. When the correction came towards here, started going up, then know that this alternative is going to play out. But the one this low is taken out, then know that this one is going to play out. So that is all for Euro, Great Britain, Japanese yen. US 30, USD Jones, or US 30. So supposed to drop here. You're supposed to correct towards here. This is where I corrected. I will bought from here to this very place. Supposed to correct again here. So we can buy from here again to another new high. That is all for this guy. Nasdaq did not obey, did not play the way I wanted it. I wanted the Nasdaq to drop from here and give me another before I buy. A, B, C. But it decided just to drop and then continue to go up. So what are we expecting from Nasdaq? Once you see any little correction, if you see any little correction, it's an opportunity for you to buy for off because it's going up to 22,500. That is destination. So once you see any little correction, a buy, any correction, a buy till it gets to there. From there, you have to see another bigger. When you get there, you have to see another bigger. You have to see another bigger. Um, so here is where we're talking about inside this box. So, but here maybe your target first. So once you get there, you have to see another bigger correction before you can buy. But when anything is here, a small correction, buy, small correction, buy, and make a profit. That's all for Nasdaq. Okay. This Canada, Great Britain, Canada. This pair just something else, and this pair is something else, something else. Well, that is all. I expected it to come down to here so I can enter and then buy, but it just continue to fly up. I don't understand Canada pair. Just keep flying. The correction. I expected that they did a running flat correction here. There's a running flat here that they did and then start flying. So it didn't come the way I anticipated. So I didn't enter. I didn't find a space to enter. So by the way, if I can see a correction, I can enter. Even I see a correction next week, I can enter up, can enter to up there. This target first. So if I see any correction, I enter. If I don't see correction, I remain on the last line. At least I don't know catch it, but I catch crude oil. The same goes with his partner in crime, Euro Canada. So this one did a flat correction. I expected it to do a zigzag ABC, but it did a flat correction and then fly up. So I couldn't get in. I couldn't get in. I wanted to get in here, but it did not come. I couldn't get in, so it continued to go up. So what may happen if you see any correction at all, you buy it up because it's going very far up to this trend line. Crude oil, only crude oil that I got because of the triangle I discovered in crude oil, I was able to enter the crude oil. So you see the crude oil now. This is where I entered. This is where it's coming. So here is my take profit. So I'm just holding it. It's the only crude oil that I was able to capture. So once crude oil get to this value box, we may see a reversal. Here is my target too, but the boss may come. So once crude oil get there, we'll see a reversal. So that is for crude oil. Okay, good. Good. Just misbehaving throughout this week. It has been sluggishly correcting on the rest of them. So looking at it, let's go to 4 hour time frame so that you can see something more useful and good. You can see that good did an A, B, C, that's W. Then another A, B, C, that's X. So another 5 wave structure to here. You already broken this very place. You already, when you go down more to, let's say, 1 hour time frame, you can see that this is a wave one from here to here. This is wave two, and this is wave one of wave three, wave two of wave three. So wave three is coming. So good is buying good on Monday, and my target is this very place. This is 61%. That is my target. So that is 26,677. That is the real target for good before any sale. We will look at it here, taking away this place. It has come to correct here. And then move again, it's come to correct this move that he has done. So another up move is expected. When you look at it, you know that this is a correction. This place, so place is a correction, and this is an impulse. So you know about the market, impulse, correction, impulse. So another impulse is expected to put up here. So that is all for Go. It's all for good. It's all for good. Won't spend much time there. Silver. Okay. So I told you earlier before that silver. Tell you about this correction. It's a flat correction A, B, C. So looking at it, let's check out some things. Let's say 4 hours time frame. Silver is one of my favorites. You can see the correction I expected it to come. This is a correction. An impulse is coming again. That impulse is going to be a last impulse. Once it come here, another impulse drag it to this very place, break this place. And now if another impulse break this place, the impulse that will come here will have to break this place. So once it's break it here, then look for correction and then sell the remaining. Don't rush and sell from here. You may not get it right from here because sometimes markets may be trickish and stop hunts will be there always. Liquidity will be there. So once the market come and break here and then break this line, then it has shown a confirmation that it's not coming to it again. So whatever correction is doing, it will do it within this place and then drop. So that's how market is being traded. So that's all for silver. Let's move on. Okay, this is what is pair is this? This is EA Euro New Zealand. Okay, Euro New Zealand. Well, I expected it to come from here to this very place. This is where my target on New Zealand is. But due to the weakness of New Zealand dollars, it has been flying up. So what am I expecting? This is A, this is B, and this is C. So this is an expanded flat. So but market can stay correct and then go up here before it's so this is an alternative to this. This is an alternative. We see a correction on up here and drop. It's an alternative. This is the main bias. It's an alternative bias. So any which one that we will find that during the week, we will trade it accordingly. So the next one is EA, Euro Australian dollar. Euro and Australian dollar. So what am I expecting? It has turned out that this B here has become a flat. Can you see that? This is an A, come here. This is a B, A, B, C, A, B, C, B, A, B, C, or five-way structure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, C. So you may see a correction, little correction, then up before I say. So that is what I expected. It has turned out to be expanded flat. So, sorry, you will see a correction and then say. That is all for this race. Okay, this is German Dex. Of course, we made a lot of money for German Dex. As when it started from here, we start buying it from here, buy it from here to this very place. So what are we expecting in German Dex? I'm waiting to see a correction. When I see a big correction, because traders have to take profits, then I'll buy again. I'll have to see a correction before I can buy. If I don't see a correction, I don't buy. That is me. Okay, this is an Great Britain New Zealand dollar. Great Britain New Zealand dollar. What are we expecting here? Oh, okay. I made a post that this guy is going to come up. This is a huge accumulation of correction. This is a huge accumulation of correction. So an impulse has started already. So what are we going to have? You may see it come to this very point before any correction can come. We see it come to this point before any sales can come. So that is all for this guy. This is a Great Britain Australian dollar. So I was thinking that it's going to start selling from here, but the market is ready to do WXYXZ. So I'm expecting a reversal from this very place, a reversal from here. I'm expecting a reversal from here. This for this guy. Oh, this is okay. This is US dollar Canada. US dollar Canada. This pair has been an inconsistent pair. It has been inconsistent. He did a 5 wave structure to this very place. For him to correct here and give us an opportunity to buy, he refused. So he's been flying up. This is a running flat correction. When you look at it, it's quite a running flat. It's a running flat is A, B, and C, and then flying up. So, but I won't enter it unless I see a correction again towards here. If the deposit of it, then I can enter. Can enter and buy. If not, you can continue going. I'm not that desperate. Okay, cryptocurrency. Remember where it started? Here it did a correction, which is WXYXZ. So it did wave one. This is wave one. This is A, B, and C. This is wave two. So then that wave one of three, wave two of three. So inside the wave three, it did a 5 wave structure, which is 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 4, and then 5. That's come this hour to break up here. So this is the 3. So and when the 3 touch the 1 of 3, it pull back and did A. Let's go down to our time frame. Let's go at least 4 hour time. Okay, see what the BTC have done. The 3 is completed here. So an A did A here. This is A. This is with A. This is B. So another C to come here. C is going to come to this very level. This $86,000. So once it touched here, then expect another move up to make it with 5 of with 3. So once this C comes here, it becomes what? With 4 of the wave 3. Then wave 5 of wave 3 will come towards 120. Here wave 3 will come. Then another correction will come again. Another small correction will come again towards here, and then the final move. This place will not be wave 4, and the final move will not come towards 150, 160. Or I can even go towards 200 as maybe. So this is the chart of Bitcoin. This is the chart of Bitcoin. So Bitcoin is going to correct towards 8,000, 6,000. So if you are buying it, I tell you, just wait for it here. It will take for a while. It may take 2 weeks to arrive here. This one will give us the final, the wave 3 of that move. And then will come with another final move. So we still have some 2 impulse move up to at least 140, 150. 140, 150 of Bitcoin. So that is for BTC. I think this you're into crypto. Now this is a repo. Repo just fly up from here and start going up. After Trump win election, after their court case, they win the court case, they are flying up. So what are we expecting? A correction has already done. There's a correction. People that bought from low has sold their currencies. So another group of people are going to buy again. We have a correction to come here and then boom, repo to the $3 to $4, $5, $6. Repo is supposed to be about $10. For a very long time, it has been sluggish because of unforeseen circumstances like that court cases that lasted so long. That is available. Okay, let's check Solana. Solana is doing correction. So I expect Solana to come to 200. Let's also drop to 200. It can drop to this 34 to 200 then before buyers will enter. So I'm looking at it as 200. If it going to 200, I'll trade it on Bybit. Close and buy Bit and make a lot of money from it. That's what I'm waiting for. Sue. Sue is a very good currency. Sue just we wouldn't sue since early this year around this place. But due to OKS consistency, OKS disappeared from Nigeria. So I sell my Sue. If I know it's Sue, I've already been making $3. Now it's going to entered $4. So two is predicted to come about $10 this bull run. Sue have because American Stock Exchange are looking to get a SU ETF, Ripple ETF, and the rest of them. So this is a Python network. This is cryptocurrency that I'm urging every one of my members to buy because why? It has not yet moved. Other crypto has moved, but it still have a long way to go. Look at it. You have not even touched the previous high. So if you buy it now, think about the previous high. You can see where it is. So it's going to make a lot of money when it touched the previous high. So don't miss out on Python. It's in Binance, it's in Bybit, it's in every crypto exchange. It's a very good coin. When it was launched here, it move up and then drop. So here again, it's coming up. So you have not make the own move. And when you make it own move, it's going to be good. Okay, that is the end of this analysis. Remember to like this video. Remember also to share our video and give us a top like in YouTube. Comment on our video so that it can be recommended to other tubers. Understand? And also join our Telegram channel where we break down every trade and how to trade it. Thank you guys. See you some other time.